Hello everyone. Today we are taking work energy theorem, problems related in work energy theorem. अब वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम क्या होती है पहले तो ये ध्यान कर लीजिए, तभी हम क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम? व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइड अ फोर्स ऑन ए बॉडी, तो देन सपोज बॉडी इज मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, so then change in kinetic energy that will equal to your work done, and work done is equal to force into displacement, so it is also equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Okay, so in this way we will see that कि वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम क्या कहती है. अगर हम किसी बॉडी पे एफ फोर्स लगा रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से उसमें एस डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो रहा है, तो बाय डेफिनेशन वर्क की क्या हो जाएगी, फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, एंड इट शुड बी इक्वल टू व्हाट. If suppose u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity of the body, so then change in kinetic energy half mv square minus half mu square, it will be also equal to f dot s or w. Now let us start problem related to this work energy theorem. First problem in this way, suppose here a 50-gram body is there whose name I am giving A. Initially is at a rest position. After traveling 50 meter, its velocity become 20 meter per second. It reaches point B from A to B. So here you will calculate the work done, okay, by the body to move from A to B position and find the force also. So now when you will apply here this formula, W is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. So here this half mv is what, 20 meter per second, and u is 0. So it means your work done is equal to only, that is half mv square minus half mu square. तो m 0 हो गया, तो यानी ये सेकेंड टर्म तो 0 हो गई. सो w इज इक्वल टू हाफ mv स्क्वायर एंड हाफ 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 because the gram is given and velocity final is given 20 into 20. Okay, so 1 2 3 0. So these 3 0 will cancel out by this 10 to the power minus 3, and 1 2 will be cancelled out by this. So 5 2 is 10. So here we will get 10 joule answer. Work done कितना मिलेगा हमें, 10 joule मिलेगा. अब next question is that कि from A to B distance covered by from A to B position is 50 meter and work done is equal to, we know, force into displacement. So force how much, that is the W upon S. So W is how much, 10. Okay, just now we calculated, and here the displacement is or distance is 50. So it will come how much, 1 by 5, or you can say 0.2 Newton. So this is the answer of our numerical number 1. We will take now more numerical. See students, now see in this question again you will calculate work done and force from P to Q. Here 4 meter per second, here this is 10 meter per second, and time they are taking 3 seconds. After 3 seconds it becomes this. Okay, and mass is also given 10 kg. So what will you do, W is equal to what, you will apply formula half m, I am taking common, v square minus u square. Okay, half m is what, 10 kg, and velocities is given you 10 square minus 4 square. Clear? We can do in this way also. I have half 10, then 10 minus 4 and 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 14, 10 minus 4 16. So this 2 will be cancelled out in this way, 7. Okay, 7 6 are 42. So 420 joule will come answer of this. Now one more is ki force, how will you calculate? Here distance is not given, 3 seconds. So how will you take, force is equal to mass into acceleration, and this I am v minus u upon t. So what will you do, m is how much, 10, v is how much, also 10, minus 4 upon t is given 3 seconds. Okay, so we can write is this 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 upon 3. So 3 2 is 6, that is the 20 Newton. So force here in we will calculate in this way, use this formula, mass into acceleration. I hope so you understood both question. Now I am taking one more question. This is another question. a bullet 20 gram is coming with 50 meter per second. It strikes a target and comes to rest after 20 centimeter. How much work done by the bullet to come rest? Calculate the retarding force also. यहाँ भी हमें जो है फोर्स निकालनी है, ओके, और वर्क कितना है करना है वो भी निकालना है. अब ज़रा ध्यान से समझिए, ये इस टारगेट को हिट कर रही है बुलेट जिसका मास 20 ग्राम है और जिसकी स्पीड जो है वो 50 मीटर पर सेकेंड है. जब ये इसमें अंदर जाके धंस जाती है, अंदर जाके स्टॉप हो जाती है, तो वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाती है, वो ज़ीरो हो जाती है टारगेट के अंदर. और जब ये टारगेट के अंदर इंटर कर रही है तो ये इसी वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रही है. और इस टारगेट के अंदर ये कितना डिस्टेंस चल रही है, ये 20 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस चल रही है. तो यहाँ पे इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज़ 50 मीटर पर सेकेंड, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज़ 0, ओके, एंड distance is given you 20 centimeter. So what will you do? Again you will use W is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. Half mu take common, so v square minus u square, and v is 0, so it will come simple half mu square. Minus sign is only showing the retardation is there, okay. Half m is 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 because this is given initial velocity 50 into 50. Again 1, 2, 3, 0 will cancel out by this and 2 will be cancelled out in this. It means 25 joule required to by the bullet to come rest. Now how much force? So distance is given, so work is equal to force into displacement. So it means work how much is 25 joule. So now force is equal to 25 upon 20 centimeter. So I am taking 20 into 10 to the power minus 2, okay. So we can write in this way 25 upon 0.2 or this, it means 125 Newton. I hope so all of you understood. These are the numerical related to work energy theorem, and try more and more numerical, and after these numerical whenever you will do more practice you will see no problem will come related to such type numerical. So thank you everyone for watching my video.